So, I have had in my mind this like wet, glittery glitter look with like a brown neutral like crease and then like just shimmer, just sheer glossy shimmer on the lid in my brain for months. So we've got the time, so let's try it. Let's get glossy and wet together. Can't wait to see how this goes. So it looks like I have some wig caps from when I still wore wigs. Oh wow. Let's see if the rest of the drawer has some already open wig caps so that I don't. Well, it looks like I have 2 packs of them at least, so not too much of a waste. So I don't particularly want to wear my black cap. These are stockings. They are not bad stockings. So I don't want to wear my black cap. It's not thicker, and I like the way it feels on my head better. It doesn't squeeze my brain. But for the head wrap today, I really should be wearing like a thinner nuder cap. I wish I had a browner nude. But we're gonna get into it. I just have like a weird shaped head, and I've accepted it. Ooh, just weird proportions on top. But I've never met a person more apt to be bald than me, and my chin that keeps appearing. Let's get into it. There are very few things in life I take as seriously as the shape of my brows, and oh, this is primo for me. This is 10 out of 10. This is, an idyllic blush brow. Oh, pointy at the ends, just lifting the face. Super villain brow. Oh, cut off your tails. It's worth it. Do it. I'm gonna use the Morphe eye primer because it's transparent, where the ABH one is very white, and I want to pack as little product onto my eye as possible. So I'm gonna go with this one instead today, or instead of the ABH dupe, which is an Avon concealer that's just as white and thick as the ABH one. So get into it. Right, so I'm gonna base this off of the Amorisi palette. I'm really excited. I just got it, and I'm just look at her. Look at her beauty, her grace, the color payoff, the gems, the shimmery of it all. I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. These glitters from ColourPop, and I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. I also have some other ones from my butterfly collection, the 3-piece, I guess, holiday set, because they were there in November and gone January 3rd. There's also Hungry Ghost, which, Hungry Ghost is my everything, just under the eye. Just really pops the face. It's really kind of what inspired this in the first place. So Hungry Ghost. Get Lost. As you can see, I've dipped into that. Sweet Baby. It's very beautiful. Also Winged is also a pretty good color. I really do love these for like a soft pink look on me. And Butter Me Up has Island Hopping, which is beautiful. Island Hopping and Overpacked are both very beautiful. Just like big, chunky, thick. Don't put on the eyes, but I'm definitely gonna put on the eyes glitter. Oh, God. I'm really looking for a silicone brush so that I can use it to scrape and pack on. Glitters? I'm kind of over using a lip brush for said activities. We're gonna start with Island Hopping. Here's in a place the glitter isn't going to go. We're doing some of the glitter now. And then we're gonna do some more glitter. We're gonna use, I can't say that. Fight me. Fight me, whore. This one. Gimp hands. Come on. Focus up. Me guru. Tip one. Two. I'm just gonna add it in post. We're gonna put this on. Oh. gonna do my other eye, and I'm gonna do it off camera because you saw how I did it. And then we're gonna do face, and then I'm gonna come back and do my under eye and finish adding all this glitter. I'm really excited. See you in a second. Okay, so in last week's video, I talked about wanting to attempt the Samantha I also didn't like the way it wore after a couple of hours. It looked a little ghastly on me. Like maybe I could go a step warmer, a step darker. I'm not sure if that was me or if my concealer, which I commented sprayed quite a bit, if I just need to only use my warm, darker concealer under my eyes. So that's what we're gonna try today. Also, comment below if you want to see my no makeup, no foundation. Like, not everyday look, because if I'm gonna go somewhere and put makeup on, I'm gonna stunt on these hoes, so I always put on. But when I'm going somewhere and I don't have time to put on an entire face, products I use these. I might switch to just using that tinted moisturizer. This, oh boy, around my mouth. I do not trust anything to cover up my hyperpigmentation. She's hyper. So going from this point forward, it's all just a video of what I did for my face and not really any other witty commentary that I have. But I wanted to come and talk about how I actually really do love this tinted moisturizer. It's just so light and it's easy to take off at the end of the day. Like, I use Fenty, and the matte one and the dewy one, they're beautiful. Thick lacquer that just stays on my face all day. This is just like easy mode removal at the end of the day. It soaks into the skin. Like, if it doesn't look right on my skin, it means I did something wrong. And I'm fascinated. I'm in love with it. I want to try more products from the line. This tinted moisturizer made me stan ColourPop. ColourPop is messing up sometimes, but I truly did stan in that moment. I'm really excited about this tinted moisturizer. This really fucked me up. Alright, that's the finished look. My jelly glitter, just oozy, wet fantasy. I love looking of the candy pink lip and the eyes, and this is one of my favorite photos of myself that I've taken recently. As you can see, as you go through the different vanity shots, I abandoned the candy pink lip because I like to eat, but I I was feeling my oats with this one. It was a good week. It was a good photo. Alright, bye! Bye, y'all!